Hello, today we're going to look at some animals that live on the farm. On the farm. Here I have a picture of the farm. Isn't it beautiful? Green, green grass, blue, blue sky, and here are the farm buildings. What animals live on a farm? Shall we see? Here I have a picture of a cat. A cat. A cat lives on the farm. I'll put my cat here on the farm. What other animals live on the farm? Here I have another animal. A cow. A black and white cow. A cow lives on the farm. Stick him here. A cow and a cat on the farm. What other animals live on the farm? A goat. A goat. A goat lives on the farm. Stick him right on the farm. Goat. What other animals live on a farm? A duck. A duck. A duck lives on a farm. I'll put him next to the goat. What other animals live on the farm? A dog. A dog. A black and white dog. A dog lives on the farm. Stick him there. Last one. Last one. This animal is a pig. A pig. A pink pig. My pig lives on the farm. On the farm. Let's see. A dog, a pig, a cow, a duck, a goat, and a cat. What does the cat say? The cat says, meow. What does the goat say? The goat says, meh. What does the duck say? The duck says, quack, 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 quack. The dog. What does the dog say? Woof, woof, woof. The pig. What does the pig say? A cow. What does a cow say? A cow says, moo. Animals on my farm. On my farm. Well done, everybody. And remember, watch, listen, and repeat. Bye.